So I hear you're in the market for bird. Oh, dude, I can't jump. My whole tit's gonna fall. There are many benefits to bird. Prince! Bird can be woman's best friend. Yeah.
Having a good day? Yeah, you are? You are? What have you done today?
Oh yeah, oh my god! Yeah, show them what's up. Oh shit.
Oh my god, and that's how she gets stuck, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and so loving all the time.
Come on. Ow!
Well, no more.
Oh. Prince!
Bird,
No, don't you go. Just literally can't say. Oh my god!
big strong brain.
Oh! Yeah! Oh.
Yeah.
No! No!
Lovebirds have so much love.
What are you doing? Prince!
Do you want more information on bird? Try Google.